Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So as you know that we are discussing sample paper 1 and till my last video I discussed part 4th of question number 7. So let us discuss part 5th and 6th of question number 7. Okay? Part 5th of question number 7 dash by the noise Nitin left the place. Sorry. Dash by the time dash by the noise Nitin left the place. It is not time, it's noise. Nitin left the place. Okay. Dash by the noise Nitin left the place. Options are number 1 irritated, option B, option A, option B irritating, option C irritates, and option D irritate. Irritated, irritating, irritates, irritate. Okay, so which one is correct? Irritating, not possible at all. Irritate is not possible. Irritates is not possible. Here, irritate by the noise. Okay, irritate by the noise or having irritated by the noise or having irritated by the noise. Both are correct. Okay, so irritated by the noise, Nitin left the place. Now, sixth one. I'm a slow reader, but I remember I'm a slow reader. I'm a slow reader, but I remember dash I read. But I remember dash I read. Option A, much of what? Much of what? Option B, most of what? Most of what? Option C, most of this. And option B, much of this. Much of this. Okay. So as we all know that most of this and much of this, they are not possible at all. Much of what? It is, we cannot use much here. So which option is correct? Most of what? I am a slow reader, but I remember most of what I read. Okay. Let me rub it and write down question number 8, part B, that is writing section. Okay. Now we are going to discuss part B of the question paper, which is writing section. As you all know that your question paper will be divided into two parts. Part A, multiple choice answer type questions, and part B, subjective. Okay, writing part. Part A objective and part B subjective. So we have discussed all the questions of objective. Now we are going to discuss questions of subjective part of your question paper. Okay. Question number 8. Attempt any one. Question number 8. Attempt any one. Attempt any one of the following in 100 to 120 words. Of the following in 100 to 120 words. Attempt any one of the following in 100 to 120 words. A. You are Neha Nihal Singh, computer in charge. You are Neha Nihal Singh, computer in charge. You are Neha Nihal Singh, computer in charge of Army Public School, Varanasi. Computer in charge of Army Public School, Varanasi. You are Neha Nihal Singh, computer in charge of Army Public School, Varanasi. Your school wishes to buy 20 computers. Your school is Your school wishes to buy 20 computers. Wishes to buy 20 computers and computer accessories from computer accessories, it is accessories from Apple Inc. Nehru Place. From Apple Inc. Nehru Place. Apple Inc. Nehru Place. Draft a letter placing an order for the same. Draft a letter placing an order for the same. Draft a letter placing an order for the same. Okay. You are Neha Nihal Singh, computer in charge of Army Public School, Varanasi. Your school wishes to buy 20 computers and computer accessories from Apple Inc. Nehru Place, Delhi. we all know their place is in Delhi. Draft a letter placing an order for the same. Okay. So you may pause the video and write down, or you can take the screenshot. Now we are going to discuss answer to this question. First of all, you have to write your address. What is your address? Army Public School, Varanasi. Army Public School, Varanasi. Then date. What is the date today? It is 10 December 2020. Okay. Then the receiver's address, the manager, Apple INC, Nehru Place, Delhi. Okay. Then first of all your address, then leave a blank line, then date. After that once again leave a blank line, then the manager, receiver's address, the manager, Apple INC, Nehru Place, Delhi. After that subject. After leaving a line you should write subject. What is subject? Placing an order for computers and accessories. Placing an order for computer and its accessories. Okay, placing an order for computer and its accessories. After that salutation, sir. Okay, so how we can start? As before ordering any before giving any bulk order, organization ask for the quotation. So you have got the quotation, your organization Army Public School Varanasi has got the quotation, and after going through the quotation they have decided to order. Okay, so we should write after going through your quotation dated 1st December or December, let me rub it and write down here, dated 1st December 2020 or the school management, you can write the school management, the school okay, let me write, let me rub it and write down again, and it cannot be seen. Okay dear students, so I am going to rub it and write down after dated. So I hope you have taken the screenshot. Your format must be correct. Okay, so I hope you have taken the screenshot, or you may pause the video and write down. I am going to rub it. Dated 1st December 2020, the school management has decided to order decided to order or to buy. Okay, decided to, we can also write here buy, it would be more suitable. Decided to buy some computers and accessories. So number is given, so you can write 20 computers and its accessories. 20 computers and its accessories from your showroom. From your showroom. From your showroom for our school computer lab. For our school computer lab. For our school computer lab. The details are as follows. The details are as follows. The details are as follows. So you can here make a table to look your letter more attractive. In order to make it more attractive, here serial number, name of the item and quantity. Name of the item, okay, and then here quantity. Okay, serial number, name of the item and quantity. So first one, you want the whole computer numbers 20. Second thing, you want mouse 10 apart from computer. You want mouse 10. Then you want UPS 20. After this separate 20 computers, it will include all the things. After that, you want these things extra. UPS 20 speaker 20 pairs, speaker 20 pairs, speaker 20 pairs, keyboard 20, keyboard 20, at least 4 items you should write. Then USB cable 20, USB cable 20. Okay dear students, so these are the items which you want to order. Okay, computer 20, mouse 10, UPS 20, speaker 20 pairs, keyboard 20, USB cable 20. So you should make this table, okay, which must include serial number, name of the item and quantity. Okay, so let me rub it and write down what you should write more. Now when you want your order to get delivered and what discount you are expecting from the organization, not organization, from the company whom you are ordering, from the shop, from the showroom, okay, you should mention all the details. All the details should be mentioned at the end of the letter. So let us mention all the details. Since it is a bulk order, since it is a bulk order, since it is a bulk order, we expect a reasonable discount from your end. We expect a reasonable discount from your end. We expect a reasonable discount from your end. Please ensure all the computers and the accessories are in good condition. Please ensure all the computers and accessories, all the computers and accessories are in good condition, and free from all defects, and free from all defects, and free from all defects. Please arrange to send everything well packed. Please arrange to send everything well packed. Please arrange to send everything well packed, preferably in bubble packing. Preferably in you must have seen bubble packing. Okay, the plastic which is having bubbles, you must have seen. We expect the goods to reach us by the end of this month. We expect the goods reach us. We expect the goods reach us by the end of this month. By the end of this month. By the end of this month. An early action from your end will be highly appreciated. An early action from your end will be highly appreciated. Will be highly appreciated. Okay, then after that, dear students, thanking you, let me rub it and write down. So you can take the screenshot. Since it is a bulk order, we expect a reasonable discount from your end. Please ensure all the computers and accessories are in good condition and free from all defects. Please arrange to send everything well packed, preferably in bubble packing. We expect the goods reach us by the end of this month. An early action from your end will be highly appreciated. Okay. Your sincerely, Nihal Singh, then thanking you. Yours sincerely. Why sincerely? Because already a conversation between you and the showroom took place. As you asked for quotation, they sent the quotation. After going through the quotation, you decided to order. So that is why yours sincerely, this subscription is the most suitable here. Yours sincerely, Nihal Singh. Nihal Singh, and you are a computer in charge. Computer in charge. Okay. You are Nihal Singh, computer in charge. Okay, dear students. So it's all about part A of question number 8. Your format must correct. Most of the students, they are putting apostrophe here. Apostrophe should not be there. Okay, yours sincerely. So please, most of the students writing as capital, it will not be in capital. So please, regarding format, be very particular. Practice them well and don't make such silly mistakes which may cause deduction in your marks in board exam. Okay, so thank you dear students for watching this video. This is all about this video. In my next video I will discuss part B of question number 8. Thank you for watching.